Hi guys, welcome to this quick review of this new Momen enhanced wireless controller for Nintendo. It's actually a Pro controller and does not only work for Nintendo, it works also for Apple, PC, Android and so on. You can see it's beautiful, really nice one. I've already been playing for a little bit. You can see, I'm not used to play on such small screen, but I've been playing now for a little bit and it works really good. I'm really happy with it. Even though it's a smaller controller, it has all the functions, it has everything what I need. It has really good grip, it has good feeling, it has everything. It makes really fun. It doesn't need a lot of space, but it has everything. And I'm going to show you the functions now, because it's really worth to mention all the special functions. I'm not going to show you everything, but a couple of them I'm going to show you. Yeah, that was even close. I almost shot the goal. So I finished the game. Yeah, really happy with it. We even won the game. Yeah, it was not based on my excellence, but anyway, I'm really happy with it. It was comfortable, really responsive, good in my hands. It's not too small, not too large. I love the thing here. Nice round, has really good grip. I'm going here a little bit closer with the camera. Probably now you can see that it has some rubber spikes here, and also with this controller, so you have a lot of grip, especially on the outside, so you'll never miss something. You can also see the colors. Before I increase the brightness, I'm going to show you the light functions here. Here we have the T, and then we have some different light functions. You can see here about 8 or so different solid light functions. We can switch with this, just push easy here, and we can go through all these functions. But we have also some breathing light modes. When we push here the T button and double click here, you can see it starts nicely breathing in different colors. Next one, different color, different breathing, really nice. And another one, rather low light. Then I think that's the last one here, nice blue, wonderful, really nice. Yeah, I love these things here, really good. What we also have, now I increase the light a little bit, we can see also how nice, beautiful this is. This really nice transparent look where we can almost see everything, and we can see all the buttons. We see the charging port, Bluetooth connector, and what I really love is here this vibration setting. We push here and we can increase the vibration. You even hear that. I think it's really super strong, but we can reduce it and even do this during the game. We can reduce it to even 0 if it's too much vibration, annoying vibration or something like that. We're getting close to the charge or something like that. You can even reduce it to 0. Really nice. And then we have also some turbo functions which you can use the T and all these buttons together. So very flexible, very good. Connectivity really nice, worked right away out of the box here with this Nintendo, but I've also tried to connect it with my PC Windows 10, worked also, so really good. We get also this instruction manual. If you're interested into that, I can show you that pretty quickly. Maybe you can see something which I've been missing here during this quick review. Explains everything, so I'm really happy with it. I can give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.